Okay, so you have done your reading screener, and so this next assignment, you're going to have a couple days to work on it. So don't feel like I have to get it all done today. You're going to have a couple days to get this done, maybe even till Friday. So if you want to do a little part Monday, a little part Tuesday, a little part Wednesday, a little part, I'm okay with that. We're going to work on that throughout the week. But I want to show you where to find the information. And because there's two ways that you can do this assignment today. So some of you have your Think Up workbook at home. You're going to go to Unit 20. You're going to do questions 1 through 12. You're going to go to the Revise and Edit portion of that, which looks like this. Okay. And then you will answer the 4 questions about the editing. And then you have to answer the writing part. And if you are doing it on paper because you like to touch it and do it on paper, you're just going to submit your answers through a Google form. So on Google Classroom, there will be one that says Think Up Unit 20 or Think Up Unit 20 with Kami. If you have your workbook at home, you're just going to submit your answers on the Google form when you're completely done with all of it. Okay, don't worry about Monday submitting a little bit, Tuesday submitting a little bit. When you are completely done with your workbook and the questions I need you to answer, you will submit the Google form when you're done. If you do not have the workbook at home, I have created it on Kami for you. So you will just open it with Kami, and here are the stories and the questions. If you're not sure what stories or questions to do, and you do have the workbook at home, you can look at this page and it will guide you through which ones to do. It only has the pages that have and the questions that have to be done. And if you're typing this, if you're typing your story on Kami, it should give you a place to put a blank page. If not, I will add a writing page with this just in case. But on the Google form, if you're doing this at home on your workbook, I put a section at the very end of the Google form for you to type your story in. So if you have the workbook, work all week in the workbook, submit it on the Google form when you're done. If you don't have the workbook, you're just going to work on this through Kami and then turn in when you're done. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. But on the assignment video page right here, I have it. If you have the workbook, click here to turn in your work. If you do not have the workbook, click here to turn in your work. So it is all right there for you.